ठीक है, अब हम पार्ट 2 स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट। इन ए प्लेन स्केल इफ 1.5 इंच इक्वल टू 1, ठीक है, अगर 1.5 इंच, ठीक है, 1 फुट के बराबर है, कैन मेजर अप टू 4 फीट, ठीक है, इट व्हाट इज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फैक्टर ऑफ दिस स्केल, पता आपको 1.5 इंच अपन 1 फीट कर देना है, ठीक है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, इसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे, ठीक है, तो 1 इंच में 3.8 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है, और आपका 30.48 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है, यहाँ से 0.125, तो यहाँ से आपके 1/8 आ जाएगा, ठीक है, या इसको भी कर सकते हैं। Which one of the following is used for when components of same shape but different dimension are to manufacture to develop drawing? One of the following lines are used to represent the outlines of adjacent part, alternative and extreme position of movable part. The chain, thin, double dash, negative. Which one of the following is used for drawing curve which cannot be drawn with a compass? The French curve. If the radius of a generating circle which is moving inside directing circle is half of the radius of the directing circle, the curve generated by a point on circumference of generating circle is a straight line. आगे देखते हैं. The inert command is used in AutoCAD to insert block and blocks in the current drawing. आगे देखते हैं. Statement drawing and machining process can be automated using CAD and CAM. Change the primary function. ठीक है. Function of these drawing and process. Statement 1 तो गलत है. ठीक है, तो अगला पढ़ते. प्राइमरी फंक्शन इज टू प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोडक्शन पीपल हैं. सही है, तो ठीक है. ठीक है. In general, which one of the following is not included in the list part of bill of material in the engineering drawing sheet? ठीक है, तो ठीक है, तो पार्ट ऑफ बिल में, ठीक है, थिंग ए, ठीक है, तो सी कॉस्ट नहीं होगा. द बिल मटेरियल में इंजीनियर ड्राइंग में क्या क्या होगा? पार्ट नंबर होगा, नेम होगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन, क्वालिटी, यूनिट ऑफ मेजर. ठीक है. बिल ऑफ मटेरियल में लेबर कॉस्ट, मटेरियल कॉस्ट. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. कॉन्टिन्यूअस थिन विथ जिग जैग स्ट्रेट लाइन आर जनरली यूज्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट क्या होता है? लॉन्ग ब्रेक लाइन. ठीक है. द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द फोकस एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द डायरेक्ट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड एक्सिस. Dimension in a series may be placed in any of the following ways except proportional dimensioning. In a rectangular parabola, if a curve is traced out by a point moving in such a way that the product of its distance from one fixed line at a right angle to each other is a constant, then those fixed lines are called synthofortes. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. On a view showing assembled part, section lines on adjacent places are drawn as opposite directional, usually at an angle of 45 degree. Point to be remembered while dimensioning. First point. Dimensions are to be placed on which clearly express the relevant feature. Once a dimension is marked in one view, it should not represent the another view. ठीक है. And the dimensions are drawn from hidden lines. Dimensions should be given, तो hence B1, 3 and 4th are correct. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. An asymmetric object is usually described by 3 views. ठीक है. Isometric projections are commonly drawn with 3. ठीक है. In which projection a plane may be at any angle with horizontal reference projection. In the figure below, the hatching lines are inclined to each other. This indicates that the two parts are adjacent to each other. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं मैच द फॉलोइंग. ठीक है, लॉन्ग ब्रेक लाइन तो आपका हो जाएगा पहले का 1 हो जाएगा. इंटरप्टेड व्यू सेक्शन थ्रू थिन वॉल मेटल और सेंट्रल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. ठीक है, तो आपका हो जाएगा ये, तो 2 का 2 है, सेक्शन थिन लाइन 3 का 3, 4 का 4. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. A long features in the figure shown below shown as break by using lines. तो क्या है आपका thin continuous irregular. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Central line is drawn as तो continuous narrow line, dash narrow line, long dash chain line, long dash double dotted line. Henceforth the long dash double dotted line. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Visible line is shown by visible line is continuous thick lines. आगे बढ़ते हैं. The imaginary line which is joining the center of base of the apex point is called क्या होता है axis line. 0.2 mm thick lines are used for dotted lines or cutting lines और outlines all के लिए यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, 0.1 mm thick line used for किसके लिए, A और B सेंट्रल लाइंस के लिए और डॉटेड लाइन के लिए यूज करते हैं. लेडर लाइन शुड बी, लेडर लाइन शुड बी क्या होना चाहिए, ये आपका थिन होना चाहिए. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन आर जनरली, कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन 0.1 mm थिक होना चाहिए. ठीक है, लाइन इन फिगर लाइन यूज टू इंडिकेट क्या होना चाहिए, लॉन्ग ब्रेक लाइन है ये. ठीक है, नेम द एक्स लाइन शोन इन द फिगर तो एक्स लाइन कौन सा शो कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो थ्रेड लाइन एक्सटेंशन लाइन है. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेम द एक्स लाइन शोन इन द फिगर तो क्या है, आउटलाइन. ठीक है, आइडेंटिफाई द एक्स लाइन इन द फिगर, एक्स लाइन क्या होता है आपका, लॉन्ग आपका शॉर्ट ब्रेक लाइन है. ठीक है, एक्स लाइन रिप्रेजेंट इन द फिगर, एक्स लाइन क्या है आपका, डैश्ड लाइन है. ठीक है, आइडेंटिफाई द एक्स लाइन इन द फिगर, एक्स लाइन क्या है आपका का line of symmetry. Which one of the following represent the correct process of dimensioning line? तो T, sorry C है. ठीक है, a line passing through a point which keep on the changing its direction is called curved line. The ratio of shorter side of A4 sheet to the longer side of A3 sheet क्या होता है, 1:2. If the width of standard engineering drawing sheet is 841 mm, then the length will be क्या 1189 mm. What is the full form of abbreviation AC in the engineering drawing? तो क्या होता है, across corner. In engineering drawing, the letter LH stand for which of the following? The left hand 5594 mm into 841 mm dimension paper size which is A1. ठीक है, the area of A0 size sheet is approx 10,000 centimeter square. आगे देखते हैं. The features provided on drawing sheet to show the details, modification, position of the drawing on the drawing sheet of all sides called तो क्या होता है, आई थिंक क्या आपको उसको कहते हैं ग्रिड रेफरेंस. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. For building and filling a drawing sheet, the area left on the left side of the sheet is given by which line? तो क्या है, border line. The print of the margin line in the drawing sheet is of accurate size. Which one of the following represent the reducing factor scale is in this? तो क्या 1:20. Which type of paper is generally used for technical drawing? तो क्या था, both of the cartridge paper और tracing paper. Which are the importance and benefits of freehand drawing? तो क्या था, it is very quick design, explain the size. The practice of freehand drawing give the anyone an excellent idea about measurement. It is very useful in generating ideas, all of the above. Which can be medium adopted by engineering draftsman to convey his idea to the illustrations, तो क्या होगा, orally by writing in the form of sign indication with all of the above. In an engineering drawing, a list of items give each of the following information: item description, quantity, and substance. What do you understand by BIS? Bureau of Indian Standard. Dash shown in the title box. टाइटल ब्लॉक तो क्या होता है, टाइटल ब्लॉक में क्या शो करता है, नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, टाइटल ड्राइंग, स्केल ऑफ द ड्राइंग। ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। An engineering drawing gives different types of information. What is the most important information it gives? Yes, shapes. In which form does engineering drawings originate as an activity? Records. In engineering drawings, idea can be expressed in which form? तो क्या होता है, oral, written, symbolic, तो hence all of these. ठीक है। Qualitative drawing sheet is used on which of the following should be kept in the mind? तो आपको पता है, both A and B, neat and clean drawing, the nature of the ink of the pencil. The ratio between two adjacent sides of drawing sheet is 1 as to root by 2. Area of A note drawing sheet is closest to 1 meter square. Which one of the not the size of standard trim drawing sheet? 425, 26. ठीक है। Clinograph is used for drawing the parallel line at inclination. ठीक है। What is the dimension of B2 drawing board? तो आपको पता है कि ये होगा 700 into 700 into 500 into 15 mm. What is the dimension of A2 drawing sheet? आपको पता है 420 into 594 mm होता है। ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। What is the ratio of the length width of the drawing sheet? 1 is to root 2. Match the following various instrument used in drawing. ठीक है, तो आपको पता है कि लार्ज कंपास ए बी सी डी, तो लार्ज कंपास टू ड्रॉ अ बिग सर्कल, ठीक है, तो है 3। और फिर लार्ज डिवाइडर, तो डिवाइड द लाइन, ठीक है, 4। और रूलिंग पेन यूज़ करते हैं किसके लिए, टू इंक द लाइन, ठीक है। और लीड केस यूज़ करते हैं हम टू होल्ड पेंसिल, तो है 2, तो हमारे हिसाब से बी ऑप्शन करेक्ट आंसर। ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेम ऑफ द डिवाइस विच इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग एंड डिवाइड स्मॉल डिस्टेंस, तो स्मॉल कंपास। आगे बढ़ते हैं। फॉर ड्राइंग द कंपोनेंट ऑफ रिस्ट वॉच द स्केल यूज्ड इज द इनलार्ज्ड स्केल, ठीक है। टू ड्रा स्मूथ कर्व ऑफ एनी नेचर द ड्राइंग ड्राफ्टिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज एंड क्या, फ्रेंच कर्व। पैरेलल लाइंस कैन बी ड्रॉन विद द हेल्प ऑफ, किसके हेल्प से, टी स्क्वायर के लिए मिनी ड्राफ्टर, पेयर ऑफ सेट स्क्वायर, हेंस ऑल ऑफ दीज। ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय स्केल 1:2? तो ये क्या होता है, रिड्यूसिंग साइज। विच ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी ड्रॉन यूजिंग 1:1 स्केल, तो क्या होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ मीडियम स्केल। ठीक है। वेयर इज द टाइटल ब्लॉक मेड ऑन द ड्राइंग शीट, तो क्या, लोअर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे। विच साइज ऑफ ड्राइंग बोर्ड यू वर्क ऑन, तो हम किस पे, B2 पे। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स, ठीक है। तो ए साइज सीट मॉनिटरिंग अबाउट द लेंथ विड्थ ऑफ सीट इज नॉर्मल थिंग, में monetizing a GSM volume, a size seat is a formal thing. For a size seat it is common to repair the area of the seat, hence all of the above are सब क्या है, गलत है। ठीक है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट, तो क्या, द साइज द लेंथ ऑफ A4 सीट width of A4 side, हाँ ये सही है। if the length of A1 size seat is P then its width will be √2P, हाँ ये सही है। the area of 2A0 size seat is 2 meter, हाँ ये भी सही है। तो all of the above। ठीक है, बढ़ते हैं। according to SP 46 2003 what types of marks are given on drawing sheet to protect the print of all size of drawing scale, तो अभी हमें पता है कि folding mark। Trim size of the drawing sheet is given by which line, तो margin line। Name the following scale on the principle of the similar triangle, तो क्या होगा आपका diagonal। Drawing boards are come in many size. Choose the size of design drawing board denote. तो 1500 into 1000 into 25, ठीक है. French curve is used for drawing the irregular curves. According to IS specifications, 6 different types of trim drawing paper are available. What is the measurement of A4? तो आपको पता है 210 mm to 296 mm. Which drawing sheets has a surface area of 1 square to A naught. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which type of scale is the scale 2:1? तो in large scale. ठीक है. 2H pencil is used क्या करें to draw the less visible line. The sketchbook is used for tracing. On which of the following paper drawing made is called blueprint? तो क्या होता है ammonia paper. Which type of pencil used to lead in zone? ठीक है, तो ये क्या होता है conical lead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Soft grading pencil used for which of the following? क्या के लिए to draw thick lines. What are the main components in the tip of the pencil, which is graphite and clay? With the help of which of the following instrument parallel lines are drawn? तो क्या होता है all of these. Minute after pair of set t square. Okay, which of the following is shown in French curve? French curve तो क्या होता है C. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Following figure one of the series drawing sheet. What is the designation of sheet? तो A naught. The SP46 2002 not specifies the sheet of B and C. B A5 और A naught नहीं स्पेसिफाई करता है. ठीक, आगे बढ़ते हैं. The smallest size drawing sheet as per ISO A series has the designation of a A4. ठीक है. If the width of shorter side of A1 drawing sheet is 5 and longer side, if paper 2 क्या होगा आपका 594 mm. ठीक है. The number of A2 size sheet that can be trimmed from one A0 size sheet is तो क्या होगा 4. Why always a ratio 1/2 kept between the side of his sheet? तो क्या होता है for microfilming. The ISO size of A4 sheet is 210 into 297 mm. The size of A4 into 3 sheets will be 297 into 630 mm. Figure given below shown in simple drawing sheet A, B, C can be short sides for grid reference. A title block contain all the following information natural except तो parts list. ठीक है, जोड़ के बाकी सब होता है. A naught size sheets are mostly used in engineering क्या ABC chemical civil and mechanical. Journaling areas of drawing sheets are rectangles. The thickness of drawing board generally varies from 15 to 25 mm. Patterns are provided on the drawing boards for किसके लिए strengthening, preventing bending and ease of handling, hence all of the above. The angle between the stock and working edge of T square should be क्या होता है exactly 90. The scale shown in the figure is क्या होता है ये क्या है triangular scale. Any angle can approximately be divided into any number of equal parts with the help of protractor. आगे देखते हैं. Protractor can be used to draw any angle up to 180 और फिर 360 तक आप easily draw कर सकते. For engineering drawing, the number of set square used is 2. Set square are primarily used for both heavy plastic and transparent silhouette. Two set square are known as 45 degree and 45 degree and 60 degrees and 30 true. Figure show a type of set square this known as क्या होता है adjustable. Which of the following purpose is not reserved by a divider? Make the full size reduced size of enlarged size drawing. Total number of grades of pencil available in market is 18. Apart from H and B grades, two other grades pencils are HB and F. Center lines, section lines are drawn used as 3H or 4H. Which set of late grade of grade out of sequence B, 7B, H, F and 3H? The pencil shown in figure is sharp as chisel edge. The mini drafter shown in figure eliminate the need of किसका? All of the scale set square T square protector. The drawing instrument used in following below is roll and draw. To fix the drawing sheet on the drawing board, present practice is to use क्या सेलो टेप और क्या यूज करते हैं क्लिप. तो hence A and B. BIS specified D series of drawing board and T series or T square and drawing board and T squares are specified in 5 and 4 size respectively. If the unit has one or more moving parts, the extreme position of the moving parts are indicated in long dash double dotted narrow lines. Dash are those dimensions that should not be necessarily appear in the drawing. Auxiliary dimension. Which of the following describe the theoretical fixed planes axis on point space that GT and T are also referred to dimensional support datum in an engineering drawing which later written on the dimension indicate that it is an extra information not really required, which is REF. An arrowhead at the end of dimension line is approximately as long and 1 mm wide 3 mm. Which of the following statements are technically incorrect in large scale use for detailing? Okay. According to SP 46 2003, the minimum distance kept between two lines, which is 0.7 mm. This line is used for a given detail of an object ladder line. According to SP 46 2003, the layout line to be drawn on the drawing is continuous thin line. The hatching lines are inclined at which angle is 45 degree. Which type of line is used for reduced space in long section drawing, which is called long break line? What should be minimum distance between hatching line, which is 0.7 mm? What how is the center line shown? The long dotted narrow line. What is the ratio of length and height of arrow mark? 3:1. The length of top of the arrowhead is twice the thickness. Which lines are thin lines? Which is all of the above. Ladder line, dimension and extension all are the thin lines. Find the correct match of the line prescribed by the Indian Standard Institute. तो आपको पता है कि continuous and thick line A, B, C, D, ठीक है. तो B, to outline of object, broken line, to invisible outer line. 3, chain thin lines, which is center lines. 4, continuous and thin lines. D1 1, ठीक है. Hence option is B correct. ISI has divided different types of lines into groups based on their measurement. The following is the measurement B type line, which is 0.2 mm. Match correctly according to the thickness of line, which is A. ठीक है. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to thickness of the line? Thick line is 3 times as compared to thin line. Continuous thin straight line are zigzag used for long break join. Line of the represent x in the figure. तो x से join कर रहा है, आपको पता है. डायमेंशन लाइन B, ठीक है. देख लेते हैं, ठीक है. B सही है डायमेंशन लाइन. Identify the line in the given figure is the, तो आपको पता है इनविजिबल लाइन. Continuous thick line is also known named by क्या object line. What is the ratio of thick and thin lines draw? तो क्या है 6:2. Which of the following is used for drawing extension line? Extension line D. ठीक है. What is the ratio between thick and medium thick lines draw? तो क्या 6:3. The thin chain line with thick ends are used to represent what? Cutting plane line. Which line is used to represent the center line? तो ये B. Which line is used to show hidden edge? तो dashed line. A concentration line is infinite length can be used to be get trimmed from both ends. The surface reference on drawing is represented by क्या square? Sorry, square बोलना triangle. ठीक है. Which of the following describe the theory of orthographic projection? कहते projector parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. ठीक है. अब हम आगे का जो कवर करेंगे पार्ट 3 में हम आगे के सारे क्वेश्चन हम कवर करेंगे. ठीक है.